You've probably walked past that little orange box of baking soda in your pantry 100 times without giving it much thought. But here's the surprising truth. This simple powder has hidden powers that can help with heartburn, sore muscles, even skin irritations. And seniors are the ones who can benefit the most. Stick with me because the way you use it makes all the difference between a safe home remedy and a health mistake. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Alpha. Today, we're uncovering 10 powerful ways seniors can use baking soda to improve everyday health and comfort. From soothing digestion to keeping your mouth fresh, to reducing joint pain and even boosting energy, I'll show you exactly how to use it safely and when to be careful. This is going to be packed with practical tips you can start using right away, so let's dive in. 1. Calming acid reflux and heartburn. As we age, the muscles in the esophagus weaken, and heartburn becomes a regular visitor. That burning sensation in the chest can keep you up at night or make meals uncomfortable. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is naturally alkaline, which means it helps neutralize excess stomach acid almost instantly. Think of it as a temporary extinguisher for that fire in your chest. How to use. Dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and sip slowly. Relief often comes within minutes. But here's the catch. Too much can load your body with sodium, which isn't good for blood pressure or kidneys. Think of this as an occasional rescue remedy, not a daily crutch. Pair it with smarter habits, like eating smaller dinners, avoiding late-night snacks, and limiting caffeine, to keep reflux at bay. Stomach settled? Let's tackle muscle aches that creep in after even light activity. 2. Relieving muscle soreness and fatigue. As we get older, our muscles don't bounce back as quickly as they used to. Even simple activities like climbing stairs, gardening, or carrying groceries can leave us feeling drained. That lingering heaviness is often due to lactic acid building up in the muscles. Baking soda works to neutralize that acid and speed up recovery, giving your body a much-needed boost. How to use. Add half to 1 cup into a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Not only does it relax sore muscles, it improves circulation and may reduce swelling. Pro tip: hydrate before and after your bath to replace lost fluids, and add a few gentle stretches afterward to keep joints flexible. Now, let's look at what baking soda can do for the body's frontline defense: your skin. 3. Soothing skin irritations. Skin tends to get thinner and more sensitive with age, which means irritations like bug bites, rashes, or dry patches can feel worse than they used to. Baking soda has mild anti-inflammatory and alkalizing properties that can help calm these flare-ups and bring quick relief. It gently soothes itching, reduces redness, and provides comfort without harsh chemicals. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon with a few drops of water to make a paste. Then dab it on the spot for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps reduce itching and redness. Just remember, senior skin is thinner and more delicate, so patch test first. And always moisturize afterward to avoid dryness. And while we're on the surface, let's not forget about something you use every day: your mouth. 4. Freshening breath and protecting teeth. As we get older, gum recession, dry mouth, and plaque buildup become bigger challenges. These changes can lead to bad breath and weakened enamel. Baking soda has been used for decades in toothpaste because it gently scrubs away buildup while neutralizing harmful acids. It's not only about fresher breath, it helps protect your smile, which is closely tied to overall health. How to use. Sprinkle a pinch on your toothbrush or make a thin paste with water. Brush gently once a week alongside your regular toothpaste. This can whiten teeth and freshen breath without fancy products. But don't overdo it. Too much abrasion can wear enamel down. Now, let's move deeper into the body, to your kidneys. 5. Supporting kidney health. Kidney health becomes increasingly important with age, since these organs filter waste and balance minerals in the blood. When kidney function declines, acid can build up in the body and contribute to fatigue, bone weakness, and other issues. Some early research shows that baking soda may help by balancing blood acidity. But let's be clear, this is medical territory. Doctors sometimes prescribe it, but never self-dose. Seniors with kidney issues or high blood pressure should only use it under professional supervision. The takeaway? Baking soda is powerful, but it's not a substitute for medical treatment. Next up, let's look at a problem that many seniors face: urinary discomfort. 6. Easing urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are uncomfortable and all too common, especially for seniors. since age-related changes in the bladder and immune system make infections more likely. The burning sensation and urgency can quickly disrupt daily life. Baking soda, with its alkalizing properties, may help temporarily ease the discomfort by reducing acidity in the urine, giving you a bit of relief until proper treatment is started. How to use: dissolve half a teaspoon in a large glass of water and sip once for temporary comfort while you get proper treatment. If you notice fever, back pain, or if your symptoms last longer than 24 hours, seek medical care right away. Now, let's tackle something that can bring seniors to their knees, literally. 7. Managing gout flare-ups. Gout is one of the most painful types of arthritis, striking suddenly with redness, swelling, and burning pain in the joints, most often the big toe. It happens when uric acid builds up in the blood and crystallizes, creating sharp needles inside your joints. For seniors, flare-ups can be debilitating, limiting movement and independence. Because baking soda neutralizes acids, it may provide mild, short-term relief by lowering acidity in the body. How to use: during a flare, dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly, but only if your doctor says sodium is safe for you. This is a short-term option, not a long-term plan. Staying hydrated, limiting alcohol, and avoiding sugary foods are your best defenses. If you found this video helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. It helps more seniors discover this channel and keeps valuable health advice coming your way. Now, I want to take a moment to talk about something that goes beyond these quick home remedies. Because the truth is, while baking soda can help with everyday issues, there's a deeper question that needs answering. Why do so many seniors feel tired all the time? Why won't stubborn weight come off no matter what they try? The answer comes from a groundbreaking Harvard study that completely changed how we understand aging and metabolism. Researchers studied over 1,700 people and discovered something shocking. The real reason seniors struggle with weight and fatigue isn't about eating less or exercising more. It's happening at the cellular level with something called mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as tiny engines inside every cell that burn fat and create energy for everything you do. But here's the problem. As we age, mitochondria levels naturally decline. When that happens, your body stops burning fat efficiently, your energy crashes, and that stubborn weight just won't budge. This is exactly why Mitolyn caught my attention. It's one of the only natural supplements specifically designed to support healthy mitochondria levels, using 6 powerful plant-based ingredients that have been scientifically studied. We're talking about maki berry packed with anthocyanins that promote mitochondria function, rhodiola that supports energy and reduces stress, Haematococcus algae with astaxanthin shown to stimulate fat burning, plus amla for digestion, Theobroma cacao for healthy blood pressure, and Schisandra for liver health and skin elasticity. Each ingredient works together to help your body create more of these fat-burning powerhouses. The results people are seeing have been remarkable. Seniors losing 30, 35, even 40 pounds of stubborn weight. People reporting they finally have the energy to play with grandkids without feeling exhausted. Others saying they can get through their day without that afternoon crash. What's impressive is that Mitolyn is made in the USA. It's non-GMO, plant-based, and contains no stimulants or habit-forming ingredients. It's not about artificially boosting your system. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to burn fat and produce energy. And here's what makes this risk-free. They back it with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 3 full months. If you're not seeing real results, more energy, weight loss, feeling better, you get every penny back, no questions asked. If you're tired of feeling tired and frustrated with weight that won't move, I strongly encourage you to check out Mitolyn. I've put a link in the description below where you can learn more and see their current packages. Don't let another year go by feeling drained. Give your body what it needs to thrive. Now, while long-term energy and metabolism are important, day-to-day comfort still matters. And there's another issue that tends to linger longer as we get older, especially during colder months. 8. Soothing sore throats and colds. Colds and seasonal bugs can hit harder as we age, leaving the throat scratchy and the body feeling worn down. Seniors are often more vulnerable to lingering irritation because of weaker immune responses and drier airways. Baking soda can provide gentle comfort by calming throat irritation and helping reduce bacterial growth in the mouth and throat. How to use: In 1 cup of warm water, mix a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gargle for 20 to 30 seconds, 2 to 3 times a day. This reduces irritation, eases soreness, and helps keep bacteria in check. It's not a cure, but it's a simple way to feel better while your body heals. From throat to freshness, let's talk about odor control. 9. Controlling body and foot odor. As we age, hormonal changes, medications, and even shifts in sweat composition can make body and foot odor more noticeable. This can be frustrating and sometimes embarrassing, but it's also very common. Baking soda comes in handy here because it naturally balances pH levels and absorbs excess moisture that bacteria thrive on. Instead of covering up odor with heavy fragrances, it tackles the source by neutralizing the acids that cause unpleasant smells. How to use: sprinkle a little inside shoes overnight, or mix into a light paste for underarms and rinse after a few minutes. It's effective, cheap, and natural. Just test a small area first if you have sensitive skin. Finally, let's talk about something every senior wants more of: energy. 10. Boosting energy and stamina. Feeling drained or sluggish is a common complaint among seniors, whether it's during a morning walk or after doing chores around the house. As we age, our muscles tire more quickly, and energy reserves don't bounce back like they used to. Baking soda has long been studied in the athletic world because of its ability to buffer acid in muscles, which delays fatigue and helps performance. This same principle can occasionally give seniors a little extra stamina. How to use: mix a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in water about 30 minutes before light activity. It may help reduce that sluggish, heavy feeling. But caution, it can cause bloating in some people, and it's not for everyday use. Always prioritize hydration, good nutrition, and steady exercise. So, what happens when seniors use baking soda this way? Relief from heartburn, sore muscles, itchy skin, bad breath, and more, when used correctly. But remember, it's not magic and it's not risk-free. Use it as a tool, not a cure-all, and always respect the limits. And most importantly, take comfort in knowing that even the simplest remedies can help you feel healthier, stronger, and more in control of your well-being. Which of these baking soda uses surprised you the most, or made you stop and think you should try it for yourself? Have you ever dealt with stubborn heartburn, joint pain, or skin irritation and wished for a simple fix? Share your experience in the comments below, and if this video helped you see baking soda in a new way, consider sharing it with someone you care about. It might help them feel a little better too. If you're serious about improving your long-term health, don't stop here. In the next video, we reveal the science-backed ways seniors can help their bodies recover, rebuild, and function more like they did decades ago. From energy and metabolism to cellular repair and resilience, you'll see what actually changes inside your body and how to support it after 65. Curious to see how far your body can really go? Click here to check it out now.